Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video I have my lovely wife drafting a senator outfit for me. Now I just had to make this video in order to encourage a lot of ladies out there who might wish to learn male fashion designing, to let you know that there are professionals whom are female making male clothes and they are making a living out of it. Now look at how serious she is drafting this male outfit. Now she's using my formula which I taught her. She learned from me, and the whole methods we use is the same process or procedure. So she's trying to draft or add the shoulder plus extra inch for the joining of the sleeve. And then here she's sloping the shoulder by 2.5, trying to get the shoulder slope perfectly. Then after that, the next thing she will do now is to make here a T mark. Now this is a point where the shoulder and the slant intercept each other, which is very important. So here she's marking the neckline using the formula I used, neck over 6 minus 0.3 for the width, then add half to it to get for the depth. So that's the same thing she's doing. So she's trying to make sure everything is properly marked, you know. Then afterwards, she will connect the line in this form, also connect this as well in this form. So I do hope this video will inspire you to proceed to learn if you're a lady watching this video right now. So she connects the shoulder point to the neck edge, and then she will do the neck curve all through this way, right? She's a professional in doing this. So I think we'll be doing more videos like this to make sure that it encourages a lot of female designers to start making male clothes. Now the shoulder armhole trimming comes in this form. She will slope the rule half an inch inwards from the shoulder point and then place the pattern master in this form. So it is also very important that you pay attention to how this pattern master was placed in order for you to make exact replication of this without having much problems. So after this, now the next you will do now is to mark the sidelines and then of course indicate the point where the opening will come from, right? So she will place the ruler the depth this way and mark 18 to 19 inches down depending on the length of the top. Then she will make an indication mark here to show that this is the point where the down top opening will start from or end from. So she just had to measure the chest measurement plus the extra 2 inches, and she applied it all through that way to make sure that she's getting a perfect size from the beginning to the end. And this is applicable when you are making clothes for someone who does not have tummy or protruding stomach. So after that, she will connect the line in this form. After the connection, this is what you will see. So she will go ahead now and cut it, and then look at how the cutting is also done. Make sure you understand the whole drafting stage. I have a very detailed video on this on my YouTube channel, so do well to search for it, learn all the explanations I have made, and also be encouraged to push your career as a female designer who makes male clothes. So here she's trying to cut the back. Now the first thing she's doing is to iron out the fabric, making sure that the fabrics are properly balanced, aligned and relaxed. And then she will now extend the back neckline. So the back top will be 2.5 inch longer than the front. So she will apply 2.5 inch on both ends of the shoulder. The back is properly raised. Then she would drag or mark the line in this form. Then after which she will do the neckline application and slope the rule in angle 45 degrees to the back neck. She will mark in this form And then the next she will do now is to make the back neck depth of 1.5. She's trying to adjust everything properly. So she will mark the back neck depth of 1.5. From here, she will mark 1.5 inch that way, and after which she will connect in this form. So though I made some corrections at this back neckline for her so that she will not have any protruding back edge at the back outfit. So after that, this is how the drafting was done, and I believe this video must have encouraged you guys to proceed to learn male designing from me if you're a lady watching this video. I have a pet class on this. Kindly like, share, comment, and tell me where you're watching from. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.